Quiet, please.
Shot! We've been having a really good time connecting with our people and connecting with religious leaders and connecting with our roots, those who have departed, and it's been really good. It's been the best thing that we have done for years. It's huge interest on what the ANC is doing on the continent. So we are really honored to have even President Kenyatta here. It shows that the ANC's image, its branding, its reputation and its standing on the African continent and in fact globally is quite huge. And this speaks to what we should be doing as the ANC. Promote this brand, look after it, enhance its standing, its reputation, and make sure that what we do is in line with our high standing in the world and on the continent. And this is what 2018 is going to be all about, to rekindle the image, the position of the African National Congress, and to return the ANC to its former glory.
Mr. President, some people may be a bit upset that you're not wearing any shorts today. What's wrong? What's happening?
No, they didn't. Well, from here we have to go and visit a family of a mother who lost 3 sons who were MK soldiers. So I can't go in shorts. So from here we're going directly there. I'm not even going to play the full 18 holes.
But can we see your socks?
Oh, the socks.
We need evidence of the socks.
No. You know, the ANC Youth League is going to open a factory of these socks that you saw. They are selling like fat cakes.
Who is going to win? Who is going to win, Mr. President?
Of course, the president has to win.